For this, I jumped into writing down the prime factorization as 1600, so 16 times 100, which becomes 2 to the power 4 times 10 squared. But 10 squared is actually 2 times 5 squared, so it would be 2 squared times 5 squared. That will give me 100. Therefore, 2 to the power 6 times 5 squared. And now we can just carefully take square numbers out of this. So one possibility, actually don't forget this one, 1. 1 is actually a square number. So we'll try and work our way up in order of size. It might not quite be right, but that's okay, just as long as we don't miss any. 2 squared would then be the next one. That seems a good shout. And then I could, as long as I have an even power, then I know this would be a square number because this would actually be 2 squared squared using indices. While I'm at it, okay, I might as well write down 2 to the 6 because that would be 2 cubed squared. So that's it for just the powers of 2 by themselves. We've also got 5 squared. That would work. And now I can do all the combinations of 5 squared with 2 squared. So 2 squared times 5 squared would work because that will be 2 times 5 all squared. In fact, that would be 100. 2 squared times, sorry, not 2 squared, 2 to the power 4 times 5 squared, because that would actually give 2 squared times 5 all squared. And then finally 2 to the power 6 times 5 squared. 1600 is a square number itself. This would be 2 to the power 3 times 5 all squared. So in total, we've got 8 possibilities. Now the solutions give another way to do this question. I really like it actually, and it is in fact to notice that 1600 is a square number and square root it, which gives 40. So if we find all the factors of 40, then well, when we square them, they will be factors of 1600 and there won't be any more. So we can just write them down. I mean, you could do your prime factorization, but it's probably just best just to write the pairs down. 1 and 40, 2 and 20, 4 and 10, and then 5 and 8. So when we go to square them, we'll get 1 squared, 40 squared, 4 squared, sorry, 2 squared, 20 squared. They will all correspond to some of those up here, but again, you can see we're going to get 8. Well done.